How to make my GoDaddy website searchable on Google. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your website on GoDaddy and make it searchable on Google and also facilitate the access for it into the search engines. So we're going to head over to godaddy.com, sign in for our account, and then we are going to click on my products. Once you have did that, we're going basically here to select the website that we want to make it public and also searchable for Google. Maybe I'm going to have this one. And then we're going to wait for the website editor. Or before that, we're going to find the dashboard. The first thing that you need to do is at least make sure that your website is published. If not, it is going to be declared draft. And then you're going to click on publish website or publish site, and you're going to do an update. After you have published your website, it is going to be normally indexed on the specific navigators, not navigators, but the search engines. Once you have did that, you're going to see the website editor loading up. It is going to finish up the publishing. Here you have it. Make sure that you have at least the website link or URL in here. So here we have it. Now, basically, I'm going to give you here a tip. If you want to make your website searchable or reachable on Google or any search engine, you need at least to buy a domain. Because as you can see, the domain or the subdomain that GoDaddy is going to give you is going to be composed by numbers, letters, and it is going to be confusing a little bit. So that is going to index for the website that it is going to be a sub website and not a principal website. You can buy from GoDaddy a domain, Namecheap, Hostinger, or whatever registrar with their domain. After you have did that, we're going to head over the settings. So we're going to click on settings, and then we're going to have the get found on Google. This feature has been a little bit free on the last couple months, but they have made it premium. So in here, we can go ahead and have also the rank higher on Google by upgrading to the plan or to the premium plan. What we're going to do is to select the page that we have into our website, and we're going to have a headline and a description. These headlines and descriptions on other websites or on other editors are going to be well known as SEO title and SEO descriptions. So they are going to be the optimizers for the search engines, let's say friendly title and also descriptions. So we can go ahead and put or select the page, for example, as the home page. We're going to have a little of a headline in here, and it should be at least having some keywords about the things that we're going to have into our website. So I can have here the home page, and we're going to have, for example, to welcome like that to the world of maybe here, let's say pizza. Let's say something like that. So we are going to have it like this. The description is going to be something having at least the keywords of the headline or the SEO title. And also it is going to have here a little bit of, I think that we're going to have 160 characters. Go ahead and make fun of put in here a little of characters that you're going to put and also implement the keywords, and then you're going to be found on Google and easily reached. So you can go ahead and do this process for each one of the pages that you're going to get and define them onto the search engine. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.